Welcome back to Chippo Outdoors. It's been a long time. Glad to be back. So today, I'm going to be shooting pistols mainly and concentrating on correct trigger pull and strong left hand. Try to put that low and left. This is a demon I have that I fight, and maybe you guys do too, especially starting shooters. So try to break old habits uh, before they become rituals. Okay, so 5 yards, strong left hand, presentation, sight, front sight, front sight, front sight, squeeze, squeeze, front sight, boom. Front sight, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, let's look at that. It's been a while, so not bad. 5 yards, all of them on paper. But that was my first shot, and others. And then I got the consistent low and left coming back. But these low and left were spread out with these here. All on paper, all on the meat, 5 yards. So let's try that again. Okay, let's do it again. I recognize some of my mistakes I made. Slow and steady, trigger pull, strong left hand. Low left. Let's look at that. Still 2 flyers, not good. A little bit better, more of a pattern, still left. A lot of things I've got to work at, but that's why we're here at the range. Okay, that was just the 6-hour 365 XL Spectre Comp, now Glock 48. This is a gun that really fits well, but I don't know who's calling, but gonna have to wait. Let's look at this one. Two flyers. That's pitiful. Let's try that again. Consistently low and left. Don't shoot that often, and that's probably why I've not learned it. But let's try another one. Let's try the Shadow 2. That hardly ever lets me down. Okay, folks. Shadow 2 Urban Gray. A little heavier, less recoil. Okay, that's better. I got sloppy with the last mag. See all these flyers? Consistent right here. Couple bullseye there, here and here, one sloppy flyer. Not bad. The heavier weight, longer barrel, and tremendously less recoil. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna shoot a little bit more, but I just want to thank you for viewing, subscribing, sticking with me, and just another range day. Not a Navy SEAL, but but trying to practice to get better. Realize what your mistakes are. Mine's trigger pull, anticipation, and not a strong hand, as I need to grip up and marry the two hands together. So thank you very much. We appreciate you. And y'all stay blessed. We'll see you next time on the range. Peace. Now just a little extra, because it's a CZ shadow too. Okay, one more time. Let's take a quick look. Flyer, 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 flyer. Still in the gray. So we'll consider that a winner chicken dinner. Peace.